This is a quick RP HubSpot tips and tricks on how to add new users. Really simple. Let's get down to business. So first, we're going to log into your HubSpot. After we log into HubSpot, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the name navigation on the top right. We click the settings button. Once you click the set buttons, we're going to go to the left side of your screen. On that, you see users and teams. We will click users and teams. After clicking user and teams, we're then going to go to the right of our page and click create new users. You'll also, below, you'll be able to see all the current users inside your instance. Let's click new users. From here, you add the email of the individual you would like to add. I'm going to. Additionally, if you can upload a CSV of multiple users that you want to add at one time. Then you click next. At this point, you are now choosing the permissions and or if you're assigning them to a team. So you'll broken up by hub, CRM, marketing, sales, service, reports, and accounts. For this individual, I'm going to give them access to all CRM editing tools. Bulk edit, be able to delete, view. Then we assign the team. Once permission to the teams are assigned, you then push next on the bottom right. From this point, when I push send, it will then send an invite to the team member that you've identified or members that you've identified. That's it. Real quick, tips and tricks on how to add new users to your HubSpot instance.